Okay, here's the demonstration. You see we sewing that pieces as we're showing you. Okay, it's sewing beautiful. I want to show you the stitch on the bottom. Can you show the stitch on the bottom, please? Okay, look at the stitch on the bottom. And here's the stitch. And it's tight and very good, as you see over here. See over here. See over here. Now it's about less than an inch, as you see over here, but it's very tight. You hold the box with no problem. If it's okay with you, just let us know. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy sewing machine. The machine is in excellent condition. You can see the stitch right here. This is how wide it is.
¿Lo puede agarrar? ¿Qué hace?
Let's go back and give them another offer on 32 and 30.
Me da otro santo.